Welcome to GCCars. My name is Eric, and today we're going to take a test POV drive at night here in this 2021 Mazda 3 Sport GT Turbo. I'm going to show you some pictures from outside while you see the stats. As always, I have a full review about this exact Mazda 3. We talk about the interior, the exterior. We talk about if it's kind of the revival of the Mazda speed, like some people hope for, and just generally take a look at if it's worth it or if you should maybe go with a different vehicle. Also, we have a bit of a light show in the skies going on. So, wait, we got something crossing the road. What are you? You a raccoon? That's a raccoon crossing the road. All right. Of course, we're going to test the high beams, and we're just going to generally test the headlights, and we're going to go for an acceleration run here in a bit. But let's get going first. It's a big storm coming up there. We will see if we also get some rain in these 10-15 minutes that we'll be driving. I don't think so, but we're just gonna enjoy. What are you? What are you? A leaf. Okay. I thought it was like a little mouse or something, or a rat. And as soon as that one got, so let's put on auto high beams. There we go. High beams are enabled. You just press. There's a button at the end of the stalk. You just press that one, and you got your auto high beams. What we'll also see while driving here is that the headlights will pivot into the direction that we are turning into, which is really nice. And we've also had on the CX-30. We should see that as soon as we turn the next corner. But yeah, that's beautiful. Oh, I love storms at night. So let's just get this guy here first. All right. Now you should be able to see the lights turning in. Yeah, there you go. Especially in this corner, it's really helpful. It's a great feature. I love it. Absolutely love it. Probably one of the best headlights I've seen so far. Although next week's Mercedes has some really cool high beams. I can just show you the steering once again by just swerving a little. You can see how it just turns in. And we're just going to drive left and left again. So we will see this storm head on. Although it's a little busy on the road right now than I thought. I hoped it was a little, more desolate. Desolate? Let's just say isolated, because I know that's definitely correct. And I said that would have looked cooler with all the lights going on in the sky. But I mean, it's not even 9. So that's kind of understandable. But our high beams are doing a great job. I didn't really pay too much attention to it because these are the same system we've had in the CX-30, and it was great in the CX-30, and it's just as good here. Very quick to see how the cars respond to it and turn off the high beams. Occasionally you see it just kind of like turning it on and off instantly, but overall really good. Ho ho. Right. Mr. GMC goes first, followed by Acura, followed by us. Now this is where I want to do the. Don't blind us like this, please. This is where I want to do the acceleration run, just a little further up the road. We're gonna get rid of that person behind us. So maybe let's just turn up here, let them pass. Don't want to go too much into the gravel. There you go. Thank you. Can drive onwards and enjoy the show. So got to be ready for the next big lightning to make the thumbnail, obviously, because you gotta use that clickbait. It's not even clickbait. There you go. If you can have like a big lightning happening, like striking just in front of us, maybe not just in front of us, but somewhere up there, so it can see it nicely, just nicely defined. That was very close, but like a proper one. Come on, give it to me, weather gods. Okay, so we're going to turn into sport mode though, because we want to accelerate. We're going to turn off traction control, although I don't think it makes a difference on this one for the launch. We're going to let it shift by itself, and we're going to stop it right here. Nobody behind us, room in front of us, just like I like it. It's just that First to second shift. That is really taking its time. Plenty of power, 250 horsepower, 320 pound-feet of torque from a turbocharged 2.5 liter inline 4. Just the transmission really is, it's smooth, very smooth, but just not quick. But we talked about that in the review, and I talked about why that is, and if that's bad or a good thing, and all that. Whew, that was almost a good one. Just a little more centered, please, weather gods. Come on, right now, right here. While I'm looking straight, and not looking for traffic. That'd be cool. Yeah, this is probably one of the coolest night POV drives. Can't beat storms, really, honestly. You want to turn so we can go. I'll turn on traction control again. Oh, that was a nice one. Really? Come on. I was like, why? I was like 10 seconds delayed. Oh, thanks for trying though. No, I was really looking forward to this. I hoped it was a little more intense, like not north of us, but just like right in. Just driving through it. But this is fine as well, and we can keep it nice and dry as well. But yeah, also part of these POV drives, obviously I want to give you a bit of a chance to not only see how it is to drive it yourself with the first person, but I want you to be able to hear it as well. So I'm just going to shut up for about 20 seconds. Alright, back I am. There's the rain. Here we go. I'm just going to instantly turn on the wipers. There we go, because I know GoPros really don't like it. There we go. I hope it stays on, because we're almost ready here. Almost done. We could take a victory lap in the rain, but I think we're good. Let's turn into this park. Okay, but yeah, that's it with this POV drive today. I'm just going to turn it off and enjoy the rest of the lightning show. Put in park. Okay, but yeah, while we hear this and hopefully see a few more lights, yeah, see a few more lights, whatever works. I'm just going to show you couple of other videos. You'll see the full-on review about this 2021 Mazda 3 Sport GT Turbo, probably on the left or the right hand side of your screen. And then we also have a video that YouTube picks for you. And then we also have a subscribe button, because if you like the video, please make sure to subscribe and like the video, because that way YouTube knows you liked it and will recommend it to other people. And the more subscribers I have, the more cars I get to show you. Right now we got new cars coming every week. Fridays at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, we got a new review coming out every week. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, and goodbye.